Welcome back to Mujahid-Official 12. Today I am active after a few months due to some internet issues in Pakistan. Anyway, in this step-by-step tutorial we will learn how to record an action and then just play in one click. We will learn from scratch that how to record an action, then export it and then import it. Now you can see I have just a click once. Then you can come select this black fill layer, take the brush tool, make sure the flow is 100%, make it some hard and the size are liking you, and you can paint on the edges like this. Very in beautiful way you can add the highlights. Anyway, now my friend, I have done it into simple one step. Now I will show you from scratch. What you need, first of all, you need a transparent image of your subject. So as you can see here, no matter what are you doing, I am just showing you an example. In this case I have this image. In your case you can record whatever you want. So then go to Windows and make sure action is checked, and you can see this panel here, this action panel. So first of all, collapse this group. First of all, you can select this button from here and name it whatever you want. For example, so I will name it A1, for example action 1, and click on OK. In this group select this and now click on this plus icon, and you can name it whatever you want, and you can assign a function key. In this case I'm just clicking on this record, and now it will record your steps. So first of all, click on this icon to create a new layer and then fill it with black color. Press Ctrl and backspace, and then come to this adjustment layer, click on gradient map. From here on the left side take it to the black, and on the right side take it to the white, and in the middle first of all click here and click here. On the right side choose your color, whatever your specific color you want. In this case I have chosen this sky blue, and on the left side choose the dark shade of your color. For example, I have chosen this sky blue, so I will choose the dark shade of this sky blue. Every time you choose the color, on the right side you choose the color, and on the left side you choose the darker shade of your color. It is basically in sequence from black to white. You can see this. You can adjust the position and click on OK and click on OK. Now come to this black fill layer, change its blend mode to screen, and then click on this gradient map tool, press the alt key and clip with this black fill layer. Select the gradient map and press the shift key and select this black fill layer. Press Ctrl or Command G to group these both layer and name it whatever you want. I will name it highlight. I have already a highlight layer, I will name it H1. Press Ctrl key and click on this subject layer to make a selection. Now select this group and click on this mask. Now collapse this group, and now I have created this action. First of all, go to action band and click on this stop button, and you can see it have done the action one in the A1 menu. You can create a folder, separate folder for every your action. Now what I will do, first of all let me show you what I have done. Take the brush tool and make the flow 100% and make some harder brush, and then collapse this group, select this black fill layer, and now you can paint on the edges to make a beautiful highlight. Wow, you can see you can adjust the size and the softness. So it is what I have done. Now if you every time you have to do this process, you will do it from scratch, it will take a lot of time, so you can play this action in just one click. Now you can collapse this group, press Ctrl or Command J to make the copy of this layer. Select this black fill layer, press Ctrl and backspace to fill this layer, and you can change this color, for example to vibrant yellow. And now similarly select this black fill layer and take the brush, and you can similarly paint on the right side. And my friend, you can see very beautifully you can add highlights. Now you can see we have record our action. We can just click once to play our action. Simply select this action in the A1 group. We will also learn how to export it and import it anyway, and click on this play button, and you can see select this black fill layer, take the brush tool. You can paint anywhere on the subject because we have masked this subject. And my friend, similarly you can copy this group. First of all, collapse this and then fill this black fill layer with control and backspace and change the color to any whatever you want. For example, I want this vibrant yellow, and you can paint on the other areas of your subject. And in this way, my friend, actions are useful. Select this black fill layer, and you can see in this way, my friend, the actions are very useful. Now you can export and import this action. First of all, come to this action group and make sure you have the separate folder for your action, and then select this folder, collapse this group A1, collapse this group, and click on these 3-4 lines, and then simply save actions. Assign the location wherever you want, name the file and save. Now I am deleting this A1 from here, and now first of all delete both this layer from here, and now again come to these 4 lines and then simply click on load actions, and from here select your actions and click on load, and then come here and select your action and play it, and then just with the brush tool, with make sure 100% flow and some hard brush, you can paint anywhere, you can see. And in this way, my friend, you can record and play action very easily, and then collapse this group. I hope this video helps to you, my friend. If you want more tutorials on Adobe Photoshop, please let me tell in the comments box and your problems about any software. I will try to make videos. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I hope this video helps to you, and if it did so, make sure to give us a like, and also make sure to consider to subscribe, and not just to subscribe, ring the bell so that you, my friend, can don't miss out any other feature, tips, tricks or tutorials. So meet in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.